What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole back with another review. Yes, honey. So in today's review, I wanted to talk to you guys about this Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil. As you can see, Brady is checking it out. This is by Legit Pets, and I've used this before, and I absolutely love it. And so does he. He's over here licking his lips like, oh yeah, baby. What do we got? So I do want to show you what's going on the back. This is wild caught Alaskan salmon oil. Store open bottle at room temperature, away from the light, refrigerate, all that good jazz. And the usage, you know, it says shake the bottle well before using. And these are just things that you want to factor in. And here is the good stuff that is up in this product, honey. So this is perfect use for dogs and cats only. So don't use it on anything else. And it does say suggested use. It says add the appropriate amount to your pet's meal by referring to the weight chart below. So let's take a look at the weight chart, y'all. So right here, it's up to 12 pounds, you get a half a pump. 12 pounds to 25 pounds, you're getting 1 pump. And then 26 pounds to 50 pounds, you're getting 2 pumps, so on and so forth. So Brady is over 100 pounds. So he's gonna need 6 pumps, y'all. I'm sorry if the camera's not focusing. So I did wanna take the time to show you how it comes as soon as you open the box. It is the bottle like this, and then you have the pump, which you do have to put together and put in there, but that's no big deal. And this bottle is a 32-ounce bottle, just so you guys can see that for yourselves. And I'm like, oh boy, let's get it cracking. All right, y'all, so we got the kibble right here, and we are gonna get the squirting. You've gotta pump it first to get anything out, so we'll just do that a couple of times, just to get any air out of the squirter. Here it comes. So we'll take that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah! So once that is done, I do like to shake it up. Look at him already. I do like to try to shake it up to disperse the kibble. And normally it does the trick. And I normally don't do it with this hand. But I'm holding you guys with the phone in one hand. So please bear with me, y'all. Ooh, I dropped one. You gonna get that? He's like, no. Let's put it right here. Is this too high for you to eat? Okay. And like you see, he loves it. He loves this oil. And like I said, I really do try to get it dispersed on there as evenly as possible. And some pieces will be dry, but if you do it with your dominant hand, you should be able to disperse the oil evenly. But there you have it, y'all. Mr. Brady approved. Say, I love it. All right, guys. I hope this helped, and I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.